Now let's talk about variables. Think of a variable like a labeled box. You put a value inside it, give the box a name, and you can use or change that value whenever you need it. Python has several built-in data types. The main ones you'll use every day are str, string, text in quotes like hello or world, int, integer, whole numbers like 5, 100, -3, float, floating point, decimal numbers like 3.14, 9.99, bool, boolean, true or false, capital T and F, list, an ordered collection of items, dict, a key value store like a dictionary. Here's the helpful tip. Variable names in Python should be lowercase with underscores, my underscore name, total underscore price. Avoid starting with numbers. In Python, creating a variable is as simple as this. You can check the type of any variable using the type function. Python also lets you do arithmetic with numbers.